A common stereotype of studying abroad is that everyone goes and takes super easy classes and gets by without studying at all or opening a book. Well, let me tell you, that is not true, and that was certainly not the case for me. I studied at Cardiff University taking some science classes in order to complete requirements to get into pharmacy school back home. As part of this, I had to take my second semester of organic chemistry in the wonderful yet challenging science program in Cardiff, Wales. The British education system is no joke, and definitely took me for a whirlwind adventure. The lab for organic chemistry consisted of 6 long days spread over 2 weeks in which we were thrown into not knowing what our experiments were going to be. On the first day, I walked in, barely being able to find the room, without a lab coat or goggles, both necessities in the labs in Cardiff. Already off to a rocky start, I was given 7 experiments that were to be completed, and then the final products were to be analyzed. 7 experiments in 6 days? Boy, was I in over my head. At that point, I had no idea how things were going to play out, but thankfully it only went up from there. I tried to be as calm as possible as I received my key to the locker containing all of the equipment I was going to need. But I must not have given off the cool and collected look I was aiming for, because right away, the girl whose locker was next to mine asked if I needed help. As I gratefully said yes, I breathed a sigh of relief because she and her friends took me under their wings for the next 6 days, and I somehow made it out of those organic chemistry labs alive. Turns out, even the British students find those labs difficult, and if it weren't for one person who was nice enough to approach me, I probably would not have came out on top like I did. Plus, I even made a great group of friends from that, who I still talk to this day. After having time to reflect on those labs and my time abroad, I found that was the epitome of studying abroad. You don't know what to expect going in, and you'll probably be stressed and overwhelmed, but then someone will come along and help you find your way in this foreign land, and you'll make it through, hopefully gaining something from it. In my case, I had a trial by fire example of what can be gained by keeping an open mind.